Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok Anand, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you all in the moral science class. Dear students, in last class, we have completed reading, understanding, and question answer of lesson 5. Today, we shall discuss some of the activities of lesson 5. Okay. So before starting the activities, I would like to remind you that in last class what we have learned, means what we have learned, the moral virtue, what we have learned. In last class I have explained you that God has given us wisdom, okay, and it completely depends on us that what we choose in our life. In our life always what is happening, we find so many ways on what we have to choose. It depends completely on us. Our friends, our family members, they can help us to choose the path, but the last decision is yours only, that what you will choose for yourself. Okay, so what we have learned in the class, that we must choose hope. Here it is given, the choice is yours, either you choose hope in your life or despair. What is happening whenever we are facing some problem in our life, whenever the difficult moments comes in our life, in that situation what happen, we lose our hope, okay, and we feel we feel depressed. It should not happen. Always we should keep hope in our life, okay, we should not feel despair. So this was the moral of the last class, which I have explained you in last class. Now today I am going to explain some of the quotations I have taken here. Like see, one of the quotation I have taken here related to our topic. This is a famous quotation said by Nelson Mandela. He has said that may your choice reflect your hopes, not your fears. Whenever you are facing problem, in those situations, your choice should reflect your hope. Whatever you do the things, it must reflect your hope, and you should not feel fear. Okay. One more quotation I am going to explain here. Here is one more quotation. You always have a choice. You can control your mind, or you can let it control you. What is happening? Always in our life we have choice. It completely depends on us that what we choose. Okay. So what is, if means always we have choice, so we must control our mind. Okay, we must control our mind. If you will not control your mind, then what will happen? Your mind will control you. So what you must control your mind. If you will not control your mind, then your mind will control you. Okay, now I am going to start the activities which is mentioned in your book. Okay, so now what you do, you must take out your book, moral science book. Okay, activity number 1. So what is activity number 1? Activity number 1 is given a prayer. Okay, so what we have learned in the class, in last class, that Kivomi, he met to one of the Adumbu soldier, okay, and who was became the soldier. Why they became soldier? To take the revenge from the Kungu. Okay, they have chosen the path of war and to destroy the world. Okay, so when the Kivomi met with that young soldier, so what he found? He found the despair in his eyes. Okay, so what is happening in our life also, whenever we are facing some difficult moments, in that time, due to depression or due to angerness, we choose some path which is not good. Okay, so here this prayer it is given, which will enlighten you, okay, and help you to choose the correct path. So we will read this prayer and try to understand and meditate on the words of prayer. So I am going to explain this prayer. Students, here I am going to explain you this prayer. Now see here. So first line I am going to explain. It is given, He is compassionate. He is compassionate, the all bountiful, oh my God. What does it mean? That He is compassionate. Who is compassionate? God is compassionate. We are telling to God that He is compassionate, the all bountiful, oh my God. Means you are the compassionate. Compassionate means what? A person who is having compassion, who is having some sympathy for the others. That is called compassionate. Okay, and in simple word you may say that kind. So He is kind and the all bountiful. What is the meaning of bountiful? Bountiful means plentiful. Means God has having so many things. He is full of things. He is plentiful things is having. So He is compassionate, the all bountiful, O God, my God. Okay. Thou seest me, thou knowest me, thou art my heaven and my refuge. So in second line we are saying to God, thou seest me, means you see me. Seest, meaning of seest means see. You seest me, thou knowest me, means you know me. Thou art my heaven and my refuge. You are my heaven and my refuge. What is refuge means? Refuge means shelter. Okay, so we are saying to God that you seest me, means you see me, you know me, and you are the my heaven and my shelter. Okay, none have I sought, nor will I seek for thee. No path have I trodden, nor will I tread, but the path of thy love. Please try to understand this line. What it is explaining this line. In this line it is said, none have I sought. What is the meaning of sought? Meaning of sought, this is the past form, means past form of seek. Past form of seek is sought. Seek means what? To watch, to see, to watch. Okay, none have I sought, nor will I seek save thee. Means except you, I have not seen anyone, I am not seeing anyone except you. Okay, and no path have I trodden, means on no path I have trodden. What is the meaning of trodden here? The meaning of trodden means that it is trodden is the past of tread. Tread means walk. So no path I have chosen, no path I have trodden, nor any will I tread, but the path of thy love. Except the path of thy love, I have not chosen any path. I have except the path of thy love. Okay. In the dark some night of despair, my eyes turned expectant and full of hope to the moon of thy boundless favor, and at the what is written here, at the hour of dawn my drooping soul is refreshed and strengthened in the remembrance of thy beauty and perfection. Okay, so in the last line we are saying to the God, in the dark some night, means dark some means what? Darkness. In dark some night of despair. Despair means whenever we are having, what is the despair means? Despair means hopelessness, means when you lose your hope. So hopelessness, despair is compared as a dark night. As a dark night means like dark night, what is happening? Everywhere dark is there. So whenever you feel despair in your life, that time nothing you are seeing, everything is dark. So we are asking from the God, in the dark some night of despair, my eye turned expectant and full of hope. Means in the dark night, what is happening? My eye turned expectant. What is the meaning of expectant means? The meaning of expectant means that a person who expects something. So what is happening in dark some night, in the dark some night of despair, my eyes turned towards expectant, means towards you only I am seeing, and full of hope. With full of whole hope, I turn towards you, to the morn of thy boundless favor. Morn means morning, morning of thy boundless favor. What is the boundless? Boundless means here no bound is there. Limitless. Boundless means limitless. No limit is there. Because means whenever problem I am facing, that time when despair is there, in the dark night of despair, I seek, I expect the morn of thy boundless favor. And at the hour of dawn, my drooping soul is refreshed and strengthened. Okay, at the hour of dawn. What is the dawn means? Early morning is called dawn. At the hour of dawn means when it is about to over my difficulties, like when it is about to dawn, my drooping soul. What is the drooping means? Actually, drooping is the adjective of droop. Droop is a noun, okay, and the drooping is the adjective of droop. What is the meaning of droop? The meaning of droop is that to slowly become limp. To slowly become limp. Now you will say, what is the meaning of limp? Limp means to walk lamely. Like lambly means, do you know lame person? Lamb? Lamb means the person who is not able to walk. That is called lamb. Okay. So limp means to walk lamely, means ladkharana. In Hindi you can say ladkharana. So what is happening here? Drooping soul. So my soul is drooping. My soul, drooping soul. Drooping soul means that my soul is not able to walk properly. So in the dawn, at the hour of dawn, my drooping soul is refreshed. Whenever that morning is coming, at the dawn of your bounty, at the dawn of your bounty, what is happening? My drooping soul is refreshed and strengthened in remembrance of thy beauty. Remembrance, what is the remembrance means? Act of remembering. When I remember you, that time what is happening? We feel that it is dawn time and my drooping soul, it is refreshed and strengthened. Okay. In the remembrance of thy beauty and perfection. So this was the prayer. Okay. Now I am going to explain you some of the hard words which is used in this prayer. Okay. You must write these hard words in your copy and try to learn. Not try to learn, you must learn. You learn all the hard words with their meanings. So I am going to share here some of the hard words. Okay. See here. So some of the hard words it is mentioned here, like remembrance. Already I have explained you. Remembrance means the act of remembering. Second one it is given, compassionate. What is the meaning of compassionate? Here, what is the meaning of compassionate? See, already I have explained you the meaning of compassionate, that having feeling of sympathy, that is called compassionate. In second word you can say that kind. Next one is bountiful. Bountiful means plentiful. Okay, plentiful means so many things, they are plentiful. Cyst, meaning of cyst is sea. Next one is the refugee. The meaning of refugee is shelter. Then sought. What is the meaning of sought? Sought is the past form of seek. And what is the meaning of seek? In the bracket it is written to try to find. Means when we try to find, that is called seek. Okay. The next one it is given trodden. Trodden is the past of trade. Trade meaning is walk. Okay. So trodden, the past of trade. Darksome means darkness. Next one is despair. Despair means hopelessness, means like lack of hope. Okay. Now some more hard words are there. Here see, some more hard words are mentioned here. See, expectant. What is the meaning of expectant? Expectant means a person who expects something. That is called expectant. Next one is boundless. Boundless, the meaning of boundless means limitless. Limitless or without bonds. The next word is drooping. What is the drooping? Drooping is the adjective of droop, and meaning of droop is to slowly become limp. And what is the limp? Meaning of limp I have written here. The meaning of limp is that to walk lamely, means like lame person, it is walking like that. In Hindi means larkharana. Okay, so these are the some hard words, okay, which was mentioned in the prayer. Now it is your time to learn this prayer, memorize this prayer nicely and chant every day. Okay, now we are going to the activity 2. What is the activity 2? I am going to share here activity 2. So activity 2, it is given for each of the, means some situations are given. Okay, some situations are given, and in every situation what you need to do, you need to decide that after every that situation some thoughts are mentioned. At the below of every situation some thoughts are mentioned, and now we will read one by one all the thoughts, and we will decide that this thought there, what is there, it is hope is there or despair is there. Okay, which of the which thought it is showing the hope and which thought it is showing despair. Okay, decide which thought and the actions will bring despair or and which will restore hope. Okay, so first situation it is given here that you do poorly on one of the subjects in an examination. What is happening in examination? You do poorly in the examination. What you do, your performance is poor, means you have not done the good in examination. Now some thoughts are given. This is the situation. Situation it is given that your performance was not good in the examination, and now some thoughts are given. You will decide that which thought is having hope, okay, and which thought is there, despair is there. So first one it is given, you give up studying and spend most of your time playing. So this is not good if you are not done in good in examination. So if you will stop that study, then what will happen? Your life will be not good, your future will be not good. You give up studying and spend most of the time playing. So this is showing that what? Despair. Okay, so here you will tick despair, you will tick. Okay, or you can color the despair box. It is given that despair you can color. The next one it is given, you tell yourself that you are stupid. If you are saying to yourself that you are the stupid, here also you are feeling the despair. Okay, so this box will be colored or ticked. The next one it is given thought, you ask another student to help you. Okay, so it means here you are having the hope that you are asking from other student, you are asking help to help you in your study. So here you are facing the hope, you are having hope in yourself. Okay, you ask another student to help you, not in the examination, to help you, means to help you in your study. Okay, next one thought it is given, you are patient with yourself and try harder to understand the subject. Here also you are feeling the hope is there. So this box you will color. Next one it is given, you blame your teacher for not helping you more. So if you blame here, it means here you are feeling despair. So this will be dark here. Okay, so this you will do in your book. Okay, now the next situation it is given here, B number. Next situation it is given here, you feel lonely. Okay, you feel lonely here. sorry, you feel lonely and it seems that you do not have any friend. Okay, you are not having any friend, you are feeling lonely. So in this situation, now some thoughts are given. First one, it is given, you keep to yourself, you keep to yourself and feel sad most of the time. So here what is happening, you are feeling here despair. So here you will take odd color. Okay, next one, it is given, means you keep to yourself and feel sad most of the time. You are not talking to other student, you have keep you have kept yourself to up to yourself only, you are not talking to others and feeling sad most of the time. So here you are facing despair is there. Okay, now next thought, it is given, you spend less time thinking about yourself and care more for others. Yeah, here you are having hope. Okay, so this you will color or tick. What is happening, you spend less time thinking about yourself, you don't think about yourself much time and you take care of others. So when you will take care of others, what will happen, you will have the friendship, then you will not feel loneliness. Okay, so here hope is there. You think about the faults of others all the times. So here despair is there. If you think about the faults of others all the time, okay, then what will happen, no friends will be come to you. Okay, you will feel more loneliness. So here what is there, despair is there. Next one, it is there, you look for the good in you, other people. What you are seeing, you are finding the good quality in other people. So this is having hope. So this one box you will color or you will take. The last one, now last one thought, it is given, you take the first step to speak and be friendly to others. So here also hope is there. If suppose any other person is not talking with you, so first what you do, you talk to them first. Okay, speak and be friendly to others. So here also hope is there. Okay, now C number. Next here it is given situation that you see jealousy and fighting among some of your relatives. In some of relatives, what you are finding, that they jealous from each other and their fighting is there. Okay, this is the situation given. Now some thoughts are given on the above situation. Now what is the thought, it is given, you too feel jealous and fight with them. So it should not happen. If your relatives are jealous to each other, so you should not jealous to them. Okay, so here what is there, despair is there. Now next one, it is there, you try to be more generous towards them. So here it is hope is there. When you will generous towards them, so they will also understand you. The next thought, it is given, you pray for the members of your family to become united. So it means still you have trust on God. You have trust on God, that God, if I pray to God, God will make everything better. They will become united. So here you are having hope. So this box you will tick or color. The next one, it is given, you teach the children in your family about love and generosity. What is happening, because you are knowing the situation that in your relatives they are jealous to each other. So what is happening, you want that all the children should not get that bad quality. So because of that, what you are doing, you teach the children in your family about the love and the generosity. So it means you are having hope still. So this will be there. Now next one, it is there, last one, you tell yourself there is nothing you can do to change your relatives. So if you think like this, then there is no hope. Okay, here despair is there. You are losing your hope that your family members or relatives, they will not improve. Okay, means you can't do anything for them. So here despair is there. Okay, now the next situation, it is given D1, that a friend does something to hurt you. Okay, a friend does something to hurt you. This is the situation. Now some thoughts are given on this situation. You decide to take revenge and hurt your friend because your friend has done something to hurt you. So you will take revenge and you will also hurt your friend. So what is happening here? Here despair is there. Means you have lose your hope. Here you have lost your hope. You have lose your hope. That means like means he has done something wrong with me, so I will also do something wrong. Now we will be no more friends. So here you are losing hope. It means here despair will be there. Next one, it is that you forgive your friend. So here hope is there. Although your friend has done something to hurt you, then also you have what you have done, you have forgive your friend. Okay, because forgiveness is a quality, you must forgive. Okay, so here hope is there. Next one, it is given you decide never to hurt someone like that. Here also you are having hope. Okay, because your friend has hurt you and you have felt the pain, that how much pain you, if someone is hurting someone, then what is happening, how much pain we are feeling, that pain you have felt. Because of that you have decided that not to hurt someone like that. So here also you are having hope. Next one, it is given you tell others what a bad person your friend is. So here despair is there because you are doing backbiting. You are telling to other person that you tell other person, okay, that how much your friend is bad. So it means you are backbiting. So this is also not good. It is showing the despair. Okay, there is no hope. The last one, it is given you and your friendship. Here also despair is there. Okay, understood, students? So like this you will complete this, and that's all for today. Now today's homework is that all the hard words you will write in your copy and learn all the words with their meaning. And second homework is that you will complete this all activity number 2 in your book and learn the prayer. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.